These AI gadgets are straight out, and you can buy them on Amazon right now. It's 2026, and AI isn't just in phones or apps anymore. From smart home assistants to futuristic tools you won't believe exist, these 29 gadgets are changing the way we live, work, and play. Stay tuned, hit subscribe, and check the description for links to all these mind-blowing gadgets. Number 29. Nero H1. This isn't just a home robot that looks smart, it actually helps around the house. It learns your routines and handles tasks that ordinary appliances can't. With 22 degrees of freedom, its arms and body move in almost any direction, reaching tricky corners and tight spots. Powered by the OmniSense BLA processor, it reacts instantly without always needing the cloud. Equipped with visual depth and tactile sensors, it can grab, push, open, or organize objects with ease, making it a true personal assistant for your home. Number 28. Neural Bracelet. Imagine controlling technology just with your thoughts. This neural bracelet reads the electrical signals from your brain to your hand, allowing you to operate devices with simple finger movements and gestures. Flip through presentations, manage music, or navigate your computer. No screens or keyboards needed. Compatible with any Bluetooth device, it even won the CES 2025 Innovation Award for pushing the limits of human-machine interaction. Number 27. Kettle W4 Pro. These look like regular headphones, but they're a real-time translation powerhouse. Converse naturally with people in over 40 languages, whether it's meetings, calls, or casual chats without awkward pauses. Bone conduction microphones ensure your voice stays clear even in noisy surroundings, and the translations are fast, accurate, and seamless, perfect for global communication on the go. Number 26. Saros Z70. This isn't your average robot vacuum. It looks straight out of a sci-fi lab. Beyond vacuuming, it has a robotic arm that picks up small clutter like socks or slippers and neatly drops them into a storage bin. With 22,000 pascals of suction, a sonic mopping system, and an automated charging base, it keeps your floors spotless with minimal effort. The arm isn't perfect and can misstep occasionally, but for $2,600, it's a futuristic gadget that early adopters will love. Number 25. Power 4.0. Take a simple paper plane and turn it into a flight you control from your phone. Connect via Bluetooth to pilot paper, foam, or balsa planes, and use aerobatic mode to pull off flips and loops effortlessly. Number 24. L'Oreal LED Mask. This flexible light mask makes at-home skincare quick and easy. Red and near-infrared light work together to smooth fine lines, lift sagging skin, and even out tone, all while the ultra-thin silicone design fits comfortably and provides full coverage without feeling heavy. Number 23. Furbo Mini 360. Keep an eye on your pets no matter where you are. This 360-degree camera detects barks, howls, chewing, and unusual movements, sends instant alerts, tosses treats, recognizes emergencies like smoke alarms, and even lets you talk to your pet, all for just $8 a month. Number 22. Rincon Gen 2 Air. Perfect for active lifestyles, this smart ring tracks your health without any subscriptions. Monitor sleep, heart rate variability, stress, and even sleep apnea, all with up to 12 days of battery, automatic syncing, and a design so light you'll forget it's on. Number 21. MLB 10 Prime. This smart litter box takes the hassle out of cat care. Its roomy, semi-open design keeps your cat comfortable, while the self-cleaning system separates waste into a sealed container so you can go days without scooping. Dual deodorization keeps odors under control, and the mobile app tracks habits, spots anomalies, and helps you make smarter care decisions. Number 20. eFlight AI Note 2. This ultra-slim 4.2mm digital notebook is powered by ChatGPT-5, letting you take notes, transcribe voice, or turn handwriting into text in 16 languages. With 8 brush styles and low-latency writing, it feels like pen on paper, while the e-ink display protects your eyes, and the battery lasts up to 14 days with just 30 minutes of daily use. Number 19. Maymotion Spino S1 Pro. This isn't just a cleaning robot, it thinks for itself. It washes, climbs walls, navigates pools, and recharges automatically, while its robotic arm places the cleaner back on the dock. Smooth water-to-land transitions and underwater communication keep it precise, with a 10-meter operational radius that minimizes unexpected shutdowns. Number 18. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Shoot cinematic 4K video anywhere with this compact vlogging camera. Its 1-inch sensor sensor captures stunning night skies and sunsets, 3-axis stabilization keeps every shot smooth, and Active Track plus 10-bit color make your footage sharp, vibrant, and ready for post-production magic. Number 16. NOAA AI Vest. Navigate safely and hands-free with this AI-powered mobility vest. It detects obstacles across a wide 170 degrees view, guides you with live GPS instructions, and adapts to your environment, rain, low light, or heat while staying lightweight and discreet all day. Number 15. Be Pioneer Edition. Overwhelmed by a million thoughts at once? This compact AI wearable quietly tracks your day, conversations, and reminders, turning them into a searchable summary. It even auto-generates to-do lists, book a flight, or call someone, and it handles it for you. Your silent personal assistant. No subscriptions or hassle needed. Number 14. Apollo Neuro Wearable. Worn on your wrist, this AI-powered device uses gentle vibrations to soothe your nervous system in real time. It adapts to your body's signals, helping you relax, focus, or fall asleep faster, so you stay calm in traffic, sharp in meetings, and sleep better at night. Number 13. Crustalo. This smart AI baking system takes the guesswork out of making bread. A compact sensor tracks dough rise, temperature, and humidity in real time, while the app uses AI to predict perfect fermentation and sends alerts when your dough hits the ideal point. Perfect results every time, whether you're a home baker or pro. Number 12. Rabbit R1. This smart assistant makes customization effortless. Just speak to it, change the voice, tweak the interface, or generate AI-powered images with the Magic Camera. It also works as a recorder, translator, and unlimited AI chat companion, with early users getting full access to evolving AI features and a chance to shape its future. Number 11. Pluton Pood. This all-in-one AI assistant captures and deciphers every conversation effortlessly. It transcribes speech in 112 languages, identifies speakers, and lets you add custom vocabulary. With over 10,000 templates, you can turn discussions into clear, organized summaries. Even with all these features, it stays lightweight, offers 64 GB storage, continuous recording, and 40 days of standby. Number 10. Pocket Pet. Imagine having a tiny AI companion that fits right in your pocket or perches on your desk. This smart little robot can chat with you, respond to your mood, answer questions, and even perform playful tricks like singing, dancing, or cracking jokes. Unlike ordinary gadgets, it feels like a real digital pet. It recognizes voices, learns from every interaction, and adapts over time, ready to entertain and keep you company wherever you are. Number 9. Noki Neural Earbuds. Noki has taken earbuds to a whole new level, transforming them into an advanced human-machine interface. These smart earbuds pick up brain signals, muscle movements, and even tiny facial gestures, turning them into digital commands, whether it's controlling a computer, operating devices, or navigating technology hands-free. Beyond convenience, Noki also empowers users with mobility challenges, offering solutions like wheelchair control to restore independence and make complex tasks effortless. Number 8. Doogie Bone Air Swim. Say goodbye to the days of silent swims. The Doogie Bone Air Swim delivers music underwater using bone conduction, sending sounds straight through your cheekbones to your inner ear. Above water, it switches automatically to regular audio. With 32 GB of storage built in, it works completely phone-free and stays reliable at any depth. Its bright orange body makes you easy to spot, while the crisp, immersive sound keeps your strokes perfectly in rhythm. Number 7. AOK Mac Fusion Arc. Meet the ultimate portable charging solution. The AOK Mac Fusion Arc combines wireless convenience with massive power, featuring 3 detachable battery spheres, each packing 6,700 milliamp hours and a 25-watt wireless charger. Docked, they recharge effortlessly. Detached, they become mobile power banks you can take anywhere. Altogether, the system delivers a staggering 100,000 milliampere hours across 6 charging surfaces, 3 fixed and 3 portable, keeping all your devices fully charged anytime, anywhere. Number 6. Hypercell X Pro. It may look like a regular hiking backpack, but the Hypercell X Pro is actually a personal exoskeleton built to make movement effortless. Awarded for breakthrough mobility tech, it reduces physical strain by up to 63% using AI that monitors your walking patterns in real time. Its dual motors provide targeted support to your hips, making uphill climbs easier, long walks feel shorter, and adjusting automatically to give assistance only when you need it. Number 4. Insta360 Flow 2. Launched in 2026, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro transforms your phone into a pro-level stabilized camera. Its game-changing feature? Seamless integration with Apple Dock Kit, letting it work directly with your iPhone's native camera app, not just third-party software. Advanced facial and subject tracking keep your shots perfectly framed, while Deep Track locks onto your subject even at 15 times zoom, something most phone gimbals can't handle. Number 3. Google Nest Thermostat. Meet the AI that runs your home quietly behind the scenes. It studies your schedule, learns when you like it warm or cool, and adjusts your heating and air conditioning automatically. Over time, it trims your energy bills without you lifting a finger. Smart comfort that actually pays for itself. Number 2. Penguins Innovate White Rabbit. This compact home robot brings light, sound, and video together in one clever package. Mounted on ceiling rails, it glides to wherever you are, directing illumination and audio perfectly. Equipped with motion sensors and 4 HD cameras, it automatically adjusts brightness and color, and you can control it with gestures, voice, or an app. Beyond ambiance, it keeps you organized with reminders, alerts, and notifications, all in one smart moving assistant. Number 1. K1 AI. This next-generation smart gym turns your living room into a high-tech workout space. Its large 4K touchscreen uses AI motion tracking to follow your every move, giving instant voice and visual feedback. With personalized training plans, hundreds of exercises, and multiple resistance modes, it adapts to your fitness level and keeps every session challenging and effective. That's 29 insane AI gadgets you can buy on Amazon in 2026. Hit subscribe and check the description to grab your favorites now.